In today's digital world, monetizing product review blogs has never been more viable. Let's explore how you can optimize your blogging journey in 2025. First up, we have Copy.ai. This tool offers powerful features such as automated content generation, insightful copy suggestions, and a user-friendly interface designed for bloggers. Next is Hypotenuse AI. With its unique approach to storytelling, it provides comprehensive content creation, making it a favorite for many bloggers looking for versatility. When comparing their content generation capabilities, Copy.ai excels in straightforward blog posts while Hypotenuse AI offers creative narratives. Both have their strengths based on user needs. SEO is crucial for success. Copy.ai provides built-in SEO suggestions, whereas Hypotenuse AI integrates seamlessly with external SEO tools to enhance visibility. User experience is vital. Copy.ai's design is straightforward, while Hypotenuse AI has an elegant layout with intuitive navigation, appealing to a broader audience. Understanding pricing can help maximize your investment. Copy.ai offers flexible plans, while Hypotenuse AI provides tiered pricing based on usage, appealing to various budgets. To illustrate their effectiveness, let's review success stories. Users of both tools have reported significant traffic increase and improved engagement in their blogs. As we look ahead, AI's role in blogging will only expand. Expect more user-friendly interfaces, better content customization, and enhanced SEO integration. So, which AI tool should you choose? It ultimately depends on your specific needs, be it straightforward content generation with Copy.ai or narrative flexibility with Hypotenuse AI.